Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Friday, September the 6th, 2013, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by WallStreetTrading.com. I want to go ahead and take a look to see how the indices are trading for the day so far. The Dow Jones is currently up 31 points, and NASDAQ is currently up 7.5. S&P is currently up over 5 points. If we take a look at the commodity sector here, we have SLV silver up 61 cents, JJC copper pretty much flat up 2 cents, GDX gold miners they're up 43 cents, GLD gold up $1.84. Take a look at crude oil via the USO. Crude oil is up 56 cents, and actual crude oil per barrel is currently trading at $1 and well, actually not $1. It's currently trading at 109.91. It did hit a high today of 110.35. So I'm telling you guys, if crude oil gets over 111 and holds that bid above 111, we could be seeing 114 pretty soon. The bonds did rally up off this little downside pressure we had in the markets today. I believe it was the Russian President Putin saying that they will help Syria out if we attack them. If I'm not mistaken, I have to look that up. But in any case, the markets did take a nice little tumble here in the first 30 minutes of the day. As you guys can see on the 5-minute chart of the ES, we had this nice little sell-off. We pretty much fell 20 points off of the pre-market highs, and we had this nice little V-shaped recovery. Take a look at the 15-minute chart. You can see the same thing as there as well. Um, we hit a high this morning of what 1663.75, and we hit a low this morning of 1638.75 or so. So some pretty hardcore selling that came in the markets. But again, V-shaped recovery, volume lightened up, and then we just floated up higher. And once we pretty much broke back above previous day's low 1651 in the corner, we started holding above that level, which that level also lined up with a 50% retracement. I mean, once we started holding above that level, they just started buying the markets up, and now we're holding up near the highs, and we've been holding up near the highs since 11 o'clock, so it doesn't seem like there's any sellers in the market quite yet, so we may be gearing up for another move higher out of this little 4-point or 3-point range we have going on right now in the ES. All right, couple of things here. What else do I want to take a look at? If we take a look at the ETFs here, SPY, same thing. You see the sharp sell-off all the way from 166.5 to 164.40 or so, and straight back up. Another V-shaped recovery. Same thing across the board, folks. All the charts look the same. The Nasdaq V-shaped recovery, Russell V-shaped recovery. So we have to say the bulls, even though we sold off today and the bears were in control in the morning, you can say the bulls fought back pretty hard there, and now we're moving up pretty nice. Some standout sectors today, the IYR is trading pretty strong. IYR is near the top of the change from open ETF list that we have here. IYR up over 1%. XHB home builders, coal stocks are doing pretty well today. The dry bulk shipping stocks, which we mentioned earlier in the My Wall Street TV chat room, which is our online live trading room, those stocks went up pretty well. Some of them popped up on the open, they dipped back down, and those were some buying opportunities. The banks recovered pretty nice. Let's go and take a look at a couple stocks here, just real quick here. Some names that we mentioned this morning to watch. DSX, Dania Shipping, this one. Nice little pop on the open. Pulled back, gave you a nice little buying opportunity. The trade idea was as long as it held above 12, you want to look to get long, and that one made a nice move up. Another cheap one that you could take a look at was the GLE. This one made a nice little move all the way from 490 all the way to high of 537. It's pulling back right now. The social media stocks are trading pretty well. Facebook, you can see Facebook's flagging right now on the 50-minute chart. You can see a nice little flag here on the 15, on the 5. Again, once this stock makes a move over 45, anybody that short this stock would stop at the high of the IPO price, and they're going to get stopped down. This thing's going to take off. So keep an eye on this one. This one looks to go over 45 sometime next week, it looks like. Pandora is getting a bounce today with the social media stocks as well. Nice move there, pulling back. This chart still has a lot of work to do on the daily time frame, but today it's pretty strong. And then, of course, LinkedIn, which is a leader right now of the whole social media action. LinkedIn trading pretty nice today as well. So that's about it, folks. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'll catch you guys after the close. Actually, I'll catch you guys on Monday for the market review action we have on Monday. We're going to really start to try to get into getting out these pre-market videos showing you guys that don't make it to the room some of the stuff that we're watching that we call out to our traders. So at least if you guys don't have a chance to go in the room, you guys can still participate in some of the trade ideas and see what we do over here at wallstreettrading.com. Aside from that, folks, have a great day and enjoy your weekend. Cheers.